Hi Kitty, Grace here. Today I'm going to draw ice cream, so let's get started. First, start by drawing a curve downwards, to the right, and outwards again. Now just following with me, draw a curve to the right again. A straight line down. Now just following with me. Now draw the ice cream. And the details. Now just following with me. And then draw some details here. Now draw two round big eyes, inside with a circle and another smaller circle, a curve inside, with three lines. In the mouth. Now we have a cup of ice cream. I really hope I made it fun and easy for you to following with me and inspire you to draw it too. Thank you so much for watching. If you love it, please make sure to subscribe and turn on your notification bell so you won't miss any new videos. See you later.